Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video.
Hello friends, and welcome back to Paint It Kids. This is Miss Jessica, and today we're going to learn to draw Finn the human, the hero of Ooh. Alright, let's get started. Alright, the first thing we're going to do for Finn is the top of his head, so we're going to slant it like this a little bit. We're going to come around and make his little ear because he wears this hood with ears, so we're going to come around for both of those ears, and then we're going to bring it up. He's kind of in a ha kind of pose, like a hooray pose. So we're going to kind of have it off center. I'm going to keep this corner open, and I'm going to do a little half circle here, and this is the strap for his backpack. We're going to go ahead and do an oval right in the center of the shape that we made for his hood. So this is where his face is going to be. And his mouth is going to be almost like a kidney bean shape. The nice thing about Adventure Time is the animation style is pretty simple. And then we're going to do a nice little line in the mouth, on the bottom part of the mouth for his tongue. And Finn has kind of these weird teeth. So we're going to do one tooth, and then we're going to leave a space, and then do two teeth next together, so like an M, and then another tooth towards the back. And then just two little ovals for his eyes. And they're kind of far spaced out. They're not going to be too close together. And once we have his face, we're going to go ahead and do the other side of the strap. It's kind of thick, so you don't want to make it too thin, and it's very, very round. All right, now we're going to do the rest of his body, and we're going to just do a nice little curved line down, go the other side, another curved line down, and then kind of a curved line up to show where his t-shirt ends. And then we're going to do a nice curved line on the other side that shows where his other backpack strap is. Now, the thing with Finn the human is his body is the same width as his head. Now we're going to go into his arms, and they're kind of a noodly shape. We're going to curve around. So we're doing one side of his arm, then we're going to do the other side, and we're just going to go ahead and bring that around and curve it in for his first finger. We're going to do another curved line for his other finger, and then a curved line for his other finger, a curved line for the palm, and then a curved line behind for the thumb. And then just a little line to show where his short sleeve is. So we're going to do the same thing to the other side, get a noodle one going, and this one is we're going to bring it up, and we're going to bring it a little longer because it's a noodle. Curve it over, do another curved line, another curved line, and then a curve to bring in the palm, and then a little curve in the back for his thumb. All right, and then we do a line for his short sleeve. So there's our body and our noodle arms. Now we're going to do the rest of his backpack, which is a half circle. And then I'm going to do a line right where the top of the bag is going to be, so where the flap opens. And now I'm going to do his shorts. So the first line I'm going to do is going to be the back of his leg. So I'm just going to bring it all the way down. Then I'm going to decide how long I want his shorts to be, and then I'm going to bring it out and then up. So just like that. Then I'm going to do the rest of his pants. So we're going to do a line across like this. Then I'm going to do a little bump because his other leg, I'm going to actually have it bent. So just like a little bump to show where, his hips are meeting and where it's being pushed up because he has his leg up. All right, then I'm going to curve it out. Again, doing our noodle. And then I'm going to decide where his pants are going to start, and then I attach it to the rest of his. I'm going to finish off the other leg, bring it down, add a curve. Then I'm going to go to the other side, do the same thing, curve it around, and then I'm going to curve it at the bottom where it's going to go in his shoe. And I'm kind of leaving a little extra line because that's where his sock is going to be. That's where his sock is going to be. So I'm going to do a circle around his ankle, so it kind of looks almost like a donut. And then for this first one, it's like he's jumping up. So I make kind of like a kidney bean shoe. For his second shoe, I'm going to just bring it down a little bit, curve it up and around, bring it back, and then just kind of bring it around and attach it to my little donut. And there is our Finn the human. So for his colors, we're just going to do the very classic Finn the human look, which is a blue t-shirt, a dark blue short. He has white socks, black shoes, and of course his signature green backpack. Now with his backpack, we do a light green on top, a dark green on the bottom. And the reason I didn't put the line through his shoulder strap, because technically those colors are different on the shoulder strap. In the animated series, for whatever reason, there's a dark line that shows the flap. of his backpack, but it isn't on the straps. If you want to put a line there for the straps, go for it, but that is completely up to you. And of course, he kind of has this pinky peach tone for his skin, so you can color his noodle limbs and his face with that color. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more fun videos just like this one, head on over to our channel and you can check out all the playlists that we have. We have everything from Avatar Last Airbender to Unikitty and much, much more. The more likes we get, the more we know to add to the playlist. And if you guys are interested in more Adventure Time characters, you can head on over to paintitkids.tv, and we have an entire playlist of exclusive Adventure Time characters that you will only find from us on our .tv site. But if you just want to stick to YouTube, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll be notified every single time that we post a new video. We have everything from how-to tutorials to just some fun datasodes and a new Instagram series challenge. So just head on over and boop that subscribe button. That's all you gotta do. You just gotta boop it. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time.